Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Tucson gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release button. It's typically found on the driver's side, near the floor, or on the dashboard. Press this button firmly, and you'll hear a click as the fuel door unlatches. It should then pop open slightly, allowing you to easily access the fuel cap. This simple step ensures a quick and hassle-free refueling experience every time. Once the fuel door is open, you'll see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Most Hyundai Tucson models have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can place the cap while you refuel. This prevents it from dangling or getting scratched. Remember to replace the cap by turning it clockwise until you hear a few clicks, indicating it's properly sealed. When refueling, always ensure you're using the correct fuel type for your Hyundai Tucson, as specified in your owner's manual. Insert the nozzle fully into the tank and let the pump do its work. The nozzle will automatically shut off when the tank is full, preventing overfilling. After you've finished, replace the fuel cap until it clicks, then gently push the fuel door closed until it latches securely. This keeps your fuel system safe and efficient. Occasionally, the fuel door might not open with the button. If this happens, don't worry. Your Hyundai Tucson has a manual release lever, usually located in the trunk behind a small access panel. Consult your owner's manual for its exact position. Pulling this lever will manually unlatch the fuel door, allowing you to refuel. Also, for a fresh car interior, check out the link in the description for Little Trees black ice and other great deals. It's a simple fix to keep your car smelling fantastic and your journeys more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.